Someone leaked dancehall recording artist The Angel erotic photos online from her fans only profile. Trust me, the fans are loving it, some are giving her a backlash, and some are just enjoying the spectacular scene that they're having. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Coming up next on Celebrity Scoop, we're going to discuss this right after the break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Well, if one can recall, just a few weeks ago, the Angel had told fans that she was opening a profile known as Fans Only. And this is a private profile in which you have to subscribe by paying a monthly subscription fee in order to see what's been posted on that. However, the Angel started one just over a week ago and had been posting some erotic photos online. However, someone seemed like they have able to gain access to the Angel profile and have posted those pictures on Instagram and also Facebook. So the Angel have stated that her profile was hacked. But the fans are loving what they're seeing and some are giving Angel a backlash over it. However, when I look on the whole COVID system and what's going on, the DJs right now are not getting enough performance based on the whole COVID spread and how the entertainment industry have shut down. So many have resort to using different means of getting an extra dollar in their pocket. Well, the agent opened her profile just some weeks ago and have been posted some pictures on them. Someone basically hacked the profile. We're not sure or whether or not they just went on the profile, pay the subscription fee and screenshot the photos and share them online. However, these photos have so far gone viral and a number of people have been giving Angel a backlash over it, stating that she is a big woman and she should not be engaging in such illicit activities, especially online, considering the fact that she have a son. While many have stated that she is a big woman, she's grown, she knows what she's doing and she can make her own decision. But some are contemplating about her son, who is in his early teenage years right now. And many have been also stating that whether or not his son have access to social media and are able to see these photos, it would not be a good look, especially if the friend or a friend of her son is actually looking at these photos, especially his teachers and so forth. But the Angel is not daunted by these revelations and has so far asked fans in order to go over and still support her subscription, which you pay a monthly subscription fee in order to see her photos. But one can recall when Angel started this, many were wondering what will be posted over there because you cannot expect to get the regular thing that you will get from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. It would have to be something more considering the fact that you're paying to see something here, and this is what Angel have delivered to her fans. However, it's very unclear what transpired leading up to her photos being leaked online, and I'm telling you, these photos are so revealing, showing all her hips, her curves, and all her body parts is just out there right now for all to see. I'm not sure whether or not she will be posting more erotic photos of this, considering the fact of what transpired just now with it, and those photos were leaked online and have so far gone viral. However, she's not daunted, as I said before, by it, and she will still continue to do what she's doing. As you know, Angel is not an individual that is giving up easy on anything that she put her mind to. Angel is like a fighter. She always tries to push herself to the extreme and try to accomplish what she set out to do. So this is just another venture by the Angel in order to reap in some extra cash based on the COVID virus that has been reaping havoc on the entertainment scene. We should have seen many shows being cancelled and many entertainers right now are scraping the bottom of their bucket just in order to get a little funds right now in order to sustain their well-being, because this would have been the summer season coming up and a number of shows would have been planned, especially Reggae Sunfest, you have Spring Break, ATI Weekend. All those shows had to be put off. We should have seen many entertainers getting booked for these events. So this is just where it stands right now. But as it stands, the angel is not daunted, and she will continue to just put in the work in whatever she's doing. And even though the photos surface online, I don't believe this will put any dent in her musical career, as she's a very talented artist and she will still continue to do what she's doing in order to propel her name as the angel and still continue to record great music for her fans right across the world. But you can drop it in the comment section and just tell me, what do you think about these photos? Do you think these photos were appropriate? Do you think these photos lack moral values? Are these photos is just who she is and she's just expressing herself and revealing herself to her fans? Just drop it in the comment section and let me know how you feel about these photos. As you know, Bounty Killer was the former love of dancehall recording artist The Angel, which he then moved over to the recording artist, the doctor himself, Beenie Man. And as you know, Beenie Man and her were married for some time before they parted, and they shared a son together, Marco Dean. However, the fans are loving it, and people right across the world have commented, some giving their support, some giving her a backlash, some giving her an ass whipping, and it just go on and on. However, we don't know what other photos are there online, whether more photos will be revealed of her, but so far there have been a number of explicit photos being surfaced online right now with her exposing her body parts, and the fans are loving it and some are just not having it and are blasting her about it as it relates to her music. And it states that also, if it's this the music have come to where dancehall entertainers have to be exposing themselves in order to get that extra buck in the pocket. However, we don't know how that goes, and we will not want to comment much on that. But as you know, they are trying their very best to see how well they can contain the problem right now, and Dancehall the Angel is just trying her best to see how she can capture more fans. As in a post I heard her saying just yesterday that fans need to subscribe to her OnlyFans channel or her page just in order to see more photos and more videos if they should surface online. So that's where it'll go in order to see these photos. But it seemed like someone went over there and played a nasty one in sharing those photos on Instagram and also Facebook by making that subscription. So we don't know whether or not the angel will stop doing this, or she will just continue and let her other photos surface on Facebook or Instagram. But we'll just wait to see how that one goes. Links of Love 7 TV Celebrity Scoop out for this one for now.